In this video, you'll learn how to set up and manage commissions effectively, ensuring your team is rewarded for their hard work. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the main menu and select Store Settings. Then, go to Employees and choose Employee Commissions. Switch to the Setup Commission tab to begin setting up your commission structure. You'll have several options to assign commissions tailored to suit your operational needs. The first is Salesperson Commission, where you can assign commissions to the salesperson who creates the invoice, ensuring that those driving sales are rewarded. The second is Technician Commission. You can also assign commissions to the technician who completes the repair, rewarding them for their service. The third is Split Commission, which is another option between the technician and the salesperson, so they work as a team. And finally, we have Upsell Commission. You can also assign commissions to the technician and the salesperson, ensuring everyone benefits from upselling. Next, head over to the Refund Commission section. Here, you can choose whether to automatically adjust commissions when a repair invoice is refunded, keeping everything transparent and fair. You also have the flexibility to calculate commissions based on either total sales or profit, depending on what works best for your business model. Now, let's set up specific commissions for your team members. Switch over to the Employee Commission tab, where you'll find a list of your employees and their current commission settings. Let's use Shane Moreland as an example. Click Action next to their name to update their commission and select Update. In the pop-up window, you can assign commissions by category. For instance, to give Shane a 15% commission on repairs, simply enter 15 in the percentage field. If you want to assign a flat rate for trade and item sales, you can enter $10 per transaction. Once done, click Save. Please note, commissions are only registered when the repair ticket is marked as completed and the invoice is fully paid. To track store commissions, you can use the Employee Commissions Breakdown Report. Select the store, employee, date, and status, and then run the report. This will show you the exact commission payable for each employee, including the invoice details. You can also void a commission from the Actions tab and print the report for your records if necessary. If you want to process commissions, use the Payroll Payments Report to process the commissions. If you're an employee wanting to check your commissions, go to My Commissions Report. All the details you need will be right there. That's everything you need to know about compensating your employees with a sales commission in RepairDesk. We hope you found this video useful. For more information, refer to our knowledge base article. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you, and have a great day.